Hello, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Day 2 from Two Dudes on a Cruise, Part 2. A lot of twos in there, so it's all good though. We are on day 2 of our 5-night sailing on Disney Magic out of Miami, the Marvel Day at Sea cruise. So today is a full day at sea, and that means lots of room for activities, exploring the ship, and having a good time.
We have Palo Brunch today.
Yeah, we have Palo Brunch today. We're about to start a tour of the ship set up for us specifically for media, and beyond that, I don't know what else is going to happen, but we're going to make the best of it and have fun. So just to remind you guys all that Disney did invite us on this cruise and paid for us to be here, so we're just letting you tag along and sharing the experience that we're having throughout the day. But don't expect any big reviews or anything like that. Just come along with us and have fun. It's going to be a good day. So we're starting out in Andy's room. How can that not be the start of a good day? But may or may not. Let's see. So, okay, let's go. We just wrapped up our ship tour, so basically an overview of what we saw. We went in all the kids clubs all over again, just like we did yesterday, and then after that we actually got a guided tour where we were being told the story of Disney Cruise Line all the way through from Palo, walking down to the atrium, all the way down to after hours, just getting kind of a full overview of what Imagineers thought about when they were putting the ships together. So, and luckily it ended right beside the Marvel Day at Sea gift shop. So I actually popped in and took a look at some of the merchandise, and here it is. And something I'm very excited about is directly behind me. That's O'Gill's, but today it's the Snuggly Duckling. It's getting a Tangled theme because tonight is when Tangled will be playing in the theater. So it's really cool. I can't wait to come back later and actually check it out. I went inside and it's cool in there, but it's not open yet. So I'll come back once it's open and look at it a little bit more. But now at this point, I've got to go get showered, because we have Palo Brunch coming up, so that'll be what we do next. Wrapped with Palo. Yeah, no, it's as you saw there, it's quite the assortment. I always stand under lights. I look like, there we go, that's a little better. Yeah, as you can see, it's Palo Brunch is always just more food than any human should consume.
Especially at this time.
Yeah. Yeah,
Start your day off. Oh.
Yeah, and we started at 11:30, so didn't eat breakfast, and thank goodness we didn't. So between the all the cold seafood, like when there's just deviled eggs and caviar, like how can you say no to that?
And that's just the start.
Yeah, and then the bread that Corey judged me for getting because
don't waste your room on bread.
It's all fine, but desserts are all desserty, and but then also having the mains to choose from, like you saw that we sampled everything from pizza to fish to eggs Benedict to red snapper. Yeah, that was the fish. Why am I forgetting? Oh, ravioli and steak. So just more options than you can ever imagine at Palo Brunch. $40 now after the recent price increase, and it's an option. So, but get your Palo Brunch booked early if you're going. So, I don't know what's happening now because we have absolutely no plans for today.
Day at sea. Let's go figure something out.
Exactly. You may remember earlier that I told you that O'Gill's was turning into the Snuggly Duckling today. Well, that is currently where we are right now. So, if you want to take a look around, guess what? You don't get an option. I'll show you around some of the details. What are you doing, Corey?
Building a ship. Look, it should look like that when it's done. You gotta cut all these little pieces out.
There's only one ship that I build.
Oh yeah? Tell me.
Relationships.
Oh. Dad joke. That's great. I'm gonna use that one. It's kind of relaxing. Doing little crafts. You're supposed to score your lines.
You're a regular crafty Kathy.
Very detailed. It's gonna end up looking like a carnival ship. Getting closer. Folding my second stack right here.
Where's the young lady? Coming around?
Yeah, she's in the club.
Should I keep your car, sir, for a while?
Cool little free activity.
And what you have to do is write down the name of the movie
The
that you
fifth
think
ship in the fleet.
the quote comes from. Right?
This is the imagination.
What was? Oh my goodness.
That was an exciting tour
Thanks for your vote of confidence
and
there.
shipbuilding. And now we're going to roll right into movie quote trivia.
10:30 p.m.
And that's just about to start, as you can tell with how loud it is in here. And if we win, we'll let you know. If we lose, just ignore this.
Okay, up next it is Milton the Goat. All right, Milton the Goat. Now you can tell Milton the Goat because he's a goat! Yes! I like that one because that's easy to describe, alright? So if you've got a goat on your board, just cover it over with a counter. It's as simple as that. Milton the Goat is our next thug out. Who's got Milton the Goat? Let me hear. I don't think I've got the energy.
Yeah, we can do it.
I think we can do it though. Are you positive you can do it? We're going to just do 5 claps this time. We're going to do it twice as fast this time. There was a man who had a dog. Thuggo was his name. And Thuggo was his name. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Let's hear it for Bash over here on the piano as well. Oh, thank you very much indeed for joining us here for our Snuggly Duckling takeover. My name is Mash. I've been your thug host here. And from everyone here in the Snuggly Duckling, it is Thugs Out. If anyone else would like a little Snuggly Duckling takeover transfer tattoo, please feel free to come and grab one on the way out. Whatever you choose to do tonight, have an awesome night. Thank you very much for visiting us here in the Snuggly Duckling.
been a while since we checked in. Well, once again, I'm going to say it every single day. It's been a while for you. Wait, scratch that, reverse it. It's been a while for us. It hasn't been a while for you.
Yeah,
but, yeah, you know, we lose track of time. We lose track of what we're doing, and that's what's definitely happening in this situation. So it's pretty much time for Tangled the Musical. So this is the Broadway-style show that's only on the Disney Magic. That is, it is completely exclusive to this ship. You will not find it on any of the other Disney ships. Last year we were on the Disney Dream, and they had the exclusive Beauty and the Beast show. The Disney Wonder has the exclusive Frozen show.
What do you think this one's about?
I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's probably about Tangled.
Oh,
but I'm not positive.
Interesting.
Yeah, I don't. Does the Disney Fantasy have an exclusive show?
Why are you putting me on the spot? I don't know.
Yeah, and well, I don't know either. It's I was just on it 2 years ago, and but I don't think it does have one yet.
We're actually out of our obviously we're out of our stateroom. Last night we made the mistake. We thought the show started at 6:30.
Yeah, well,
and it started at 6:15, and we just made it. So now we're giving ourselves some breathing room to make it
exactly
to get a good seat.
It's definitely something that. If you really care about the shows, always get there early. And if you're us, forget about it until the last second and then run off to it.
Hopefully we make it. We get a seat.
I think we will. We'll be fine. We'll be good. It'll be okay. So Tangled the Musical just ended, and it was 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Packed house also.
It was very packed. So if you're planning on coming on the Disney Magic to see Tangled the Musical, which is exclusive to this ship only, get there very early. It is a immensely popular show. And on top of that, though, if you have young kids, I would say maybe sit this one out.
It follows the storyline just like it does in the movie, but with a few extras, surprises.
New songs that you're not familiar with before, but the main part is it is long, and after a long day, tired kids, it might be a little bit too long.
Because you got to get there early to get a good seat, and then you take that in consideration with how long it is. But,
I mean, we're not even without like saying our total thoughts on the show. It was just. By about the 45-minute mark, that's when a lot of kids started screaming and crying and getting irritated being in there. So I'd say just be very aware of that.
Adults will be fine.
Yeah, no. Perfect for adults. Absolutely, 100%. But use that judgment call. So that's it for Tangled the Musical tonight. We have
dinner.
Lumiere's.
Oh, oui.
This is what happens when you order every single entree in Lumiere's. It's a lot.
Oh yeah, we're gonna finish it all.
We're all done with dinner at Lumiere's. I am now 20, 10, 15, 25. I'm heavy. Ate a lot.
We tried everything on the well, I didn't do desserts, but we ordered everything on the menu.
At least
we tried everything.
one bite of everything. Plus, we'll break the fourth wall here a little bit. We missed one item at Rapunzel's last night, and our amazing server.
No, come in.
I am that.
You are the amazing server.
He was nice enough to hook us up and made sure we got the food item that we missed last night at Rapunzel's. So lobster salad. So yeah, we ate 17 different things tonight. Pretty intense.
And the only reason we were able to fit all those things on the menu because we were missing 2 people at our table.
Yeah.
So we took over their spots.
You probably never heard of them, but Tim Tracker and Jen Tracker, they were not with us tonight.
They had Palo tonight.
Yeah, so they paved the way for us to be able to fit more on the table. It's just to kind of give you a context of when this is happening. This is the night of the College Football National Championship. So
it's halftime right now.
Yeah, it's halftime, so we're heading into O'Gill's for the 19th time today to watch the football game, let's be honest.
And build some ships.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know if we're going to check back in tonight. If we don't, it was great seeing you again. And we'll see you on the next one, but we'll see what happens.
Cheers.
Cheers. We're at a silent dance party right now. Not sure if anyone can actually hear it. Just listen. And Corey's changing it up. It's fun. That's it.
Say what?
That's it. That's it. Good night.